In episode 24 of Awakening from the Meaning Crisis, we delve into Hegel's profound influence on thought, particularly in his challenge to Kant's notion of the thing in itself. Hegel argues that if something is completely unknowable, it effectively does not exist. This assertion leads him to propose that reality is entirely a construct of the rational mind, a doctrine known as absolute idealism, positing that the real is rational and the rational is real. Hegel draws from Platonic ideals to argue that the universe's rational structures do more than shape our perceptions. They constitute reality itself. This philosophical journey suggests we are not merely discovering the world, but actively creating it through human cognition, encapsulated in Hegel's term Geist, a dynamic self-realizing system that integrates notions of mind and spirit. His view reinterprets the irrational not as a gateway to the unknown, but as undeveloped potentials of reason. What we consider irrational are merely the yet-to-be-structured aspects of cognition, awaiting integration into the coherent fabric of understanding, reflecting an Aristotelian influence that emphasizes a teleological process where each cognitive element has its place in the grand scheme of rational unfolding. The episode also explores how Hegel extends his vision beyond the individual to encompass the collective intellect of humanity. He proposes that human history itself is a manifestation of Geist at work, with cultural and intellectual developments being evolutionary steps in collective reasoning studied through dialectics, a methodology that sees progress as the synthesis of conflicting ideas into higher forms of understanding. Yet Hegel's system faces significant critiques. Philosophers like Schopenhauer, Kierkegaard, and Marx challenge his idealism from various angles. Schopenhauer focuses on the irrational will as the true driver of reality, disputing the primacy of reason, calling Hegel a flat-headed, insipid, nauseating, illiterate charlatan. Kierkegaard criticizes the impersonal nature of Hegel's system for lacking existential depth, while Marx contends that it is not ideas but material conditions and economic relationships that drive historical progress. Despite these critiques, Hegel's influence persists in philosophical discussions about the nature of reality and our understanding of it. His ideas compel us to consider the extent to which our realities are constructions of our collective reasoning. As the episode concludes, we are presented with a rich tableau of intellectual struggle that continues to shape our quest for meaning. Each critique, whether from Schopenhauer, Kierkegaard, or Marx, deepens our understanding of Hegel, pushing us to explore new dimensions of thought and existence. Hegel's grand narrative offers a bridge between the abstract and the concrete, the individual and the collective. Through his dialectical method, we gain tools to navigate the complexities of thought and culture, encouraging a synthesis of diverse perspectives towards a more comprehensive understanding of our world. This exploration of Hegel's philosophy reaffirms the dynamic and evolving nature of human thought, contributing to a richer, more nuanced understanding of the world and our place within it, thereby providing insights into navigating the ongoing meaning crisis.